Hello and welcome back to my channel where I teach how to make money online. In today's video, I will show you how to use Zendrop for your Shopify dropshipping. We have an option like to app as you can see. So here you can see a plus icon, add app, you just click on here, and from here you can see like Zendrop, like where is Zendrop, so you can't see the Zendrop. So basically you have to just click on here, your Shopify app store. So here I've just go. So here we can see we have like a category option and much more options. So basically Zendrop is a dropshipping app for our USA, basically USA and Europe side. So it helps us to dropship the product at the least cost and make our profit more. So you can just search here for Zendrop, search for it actually Zendrop. So you can see, you can just click on here, Zendrop. So here you can see at the first option, Zendrop, drop shipping and POD. POD is print on like demand. Okay, so we can just click here. So Zendrop is a free application to install, but for only 7 days, like only 7 days for free. Then if you have to just pay like $50 a month. Okay, it is free to install, and you have to, after that you have to pay $50 a month for a pro, and for plus you have to pay $80. So what's the difference between Pro and Plus is like in Plus we have a Zen Academy. So Zen Drop Academy is basically a academy which teaches you about the drop shipping field. And here you can see you can just do the private listing also, and you can just check the top winning product. But in the Pro version, you can just build your custom branding and product sourcing and automated fulfillment. It is like Pro is like a basic, okay. So and Plus is like a advanced, okay. So as you can see, just you can choose. So it will cost like if you pay like monthly, it will cost you like a $49 a month and $79 a month. If you pay yearly, you can save up to like a 32% and 42% on here as a plus. So let us see the feature. So Zendrops provides optimized drop shipping and print on delivery for seamless online store success. Okay, so it provides a faster shipping, and it have one button to add. It don't gives a big process like other apps do in dropshipping, and they have a customer support that's good for any app. So it will be like good for our dropshipping store. So Zendrop was created to as a response to the numerous challenges faced by the dropshipper dealing with AliExpress suppliers. So basically AliExpress like is dropshipping like suppliers. Okay, they give us suppliers, but like they will directly ship, they will don't check the qualities. But when you will ship from your products from your Zendrop, they will like check the product and then will send to your customer. So that will be a more much safer way to use this. So then Zendrop, you have to install that. If you just click on here add app, so it will be added within a minute as you can see. So from here you can just like here the term and conditions of the Zendrop. If you want to read, you can just read. So I'm doing next install app from here, so you can do from the upside. So it will be added soon. So here we can see here is the Zendrop. So here we have to just write our number password, so we can just confirm our password. Okay, so we can just write our password. So here we can just select our country, India. We can just write the number. You can just do sign up. So it's done. So as you can see, our ID has been signed in. So first of all, you can just check from here. Here is my ID's name is Surface. So you can just go to here and just check here. So it's connected properly. So to connect, so you have to check that. To so recheck, you can just check here in our app section. As you can see, Zendrop has been added, installed app. So you can just go to here. So as you can see, these are the new arrivals of the products, as you can see. But you can't see the top winning product because I've not purchased a plan. So to purchase a plan, you just click on profile, and you can see here we have an option to upgrade. We can just select the dark mode. So we just select the upgrade option. So here you can see all the options are here. Pro plus select, and you can just go here and see. So as you can see, it's cost like about the same that I tell you. So you can just select it. So you can just upgrade it for free. So you can just buy a plus plan because it's worth it if your store is running like nice. You're making a good revenue. You can just select. It will cost you like a 550 approx. Like after taxes, it will be like $8 plus. So like you can just choose the plan. Okay. So from here you can see. So it's redirected to a Shopify store. So it will say to pay to add a credit card. As you can see, it will be costing. We can just add a credit card and we can just approve the payment. Okay. So as you can see, we can just do from here Zendrop payment. So let's go back to Zendrop. So to import the product from to our like product list. So to do that, you have to just open here the find product. Okay, in find product, we have options to choose the product, as you can see. So let us add this sleepers for women, winter slippers. We can just add this to the import list. We can add more. So we can add this like a pet brush. And if you want to search the product, you can just search from here. So you can search here as access trending product. You can just see. To access this, the same. You have to buy the premium. You can just go to your here as a find product, and here you can search for the product. So to find the product, you can just search here trending products on Instagram, or you can just go to Google Trends also. It will tell. So you can just search trending products on like Instagram, search like this. So from here you can see the phone accessory is like a makeup. Like we can just go to our sunglasses. We can just copy this and we can just paste it here. Okay, you can just press enter. So it's searching. So here are the products. We can just add the products. So if you want to add, so this glasses are looking good. There's a product cost like is like not okay. So as you can see, we can just import a limited product. Okay. So here is our import list. We can just add to import list. So as you can see, we can just import, or we can just order a sample from as Zendrop also. So when you have like selected the product, then you have to click on your import list from here. So here you can just see import list. It's not clicking. You can just go to a store. I think so. It has been glitched. It should be not so. Let's check. Let's log in again. So if you want to click here at the import list. So from here you can just see, you can just import to your store. These are the like here. So you can just import to your store. Just confirm it. I got it. Just confirm. If you want to read, you can just read. So you can just confirm. So it will take like a 5 to 10 minutes. It will be imported. Your first, you can just import this. Okay. It will take few minutes. So if you want to check, you can just reload your product feed. So as you can see, it's loading. I think so. Their servers are loaded now, so we can just check it. So this product have been imported to our store, as you can see. So let's check on our store. We can just go to our products, or we can check from here. You can see these products have been imported to our store. We can search as imported products. So as you can see, this product have been imported. So we can just click on view on Shopify. So like I think the Shopify like, servers are not able to handle. We can just like it's showing glitches. So we can just wait. Okay. So here you can see this product have been produced. So this here you can just import your product, and When the final product will come, you can just view on your online store. You can just preview your online store on here. So here you can see, like, again, just to catalog, and you can see the product has been added to a store. So as I have like shown you, because of some glitches, it's for like loading. So you can just use, okay. So here you can just like if you want to see, like, it's loading here in product section. So as you can see, the product has been added. Our inventory is also added, and our sales channel is also added, and markets type also. So this is how you can just add the product to. This is how you can just use Zendrop for Shopify. So if you want to edit the price, you can just go to here and you can just scroll like scroll down, and just you can just edit the pages from edit here. Okay, pricing you can just edit. Okay, so if you can see it, we can just edit our price here, as we can do $49 and save. So it's margin approx like a 90% margin, okay, for each product. So this is how you can just use Zendrop on your Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.